Guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Mahima Suneza. I'm your very own personal stylist and an image consultant. And in today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most important things when it comes to personal style, and that is body shape analysis. In today's video, I'm going to help you find out your body shape. बॉडी शेप क्या होती है, आप उसको कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो एंड कैसे आप अपनी स्टाइल गेम को एम्प अप कर सकते हो बाय ड्रेसिंग अप एज पर योर बॉडी शेप. एंड बिफोर आई स्टार्ट द वीडियो, लेट मी क्लैरिफाई वन कॉमन मिथ. कोई भी बॉडी शेप अच्छी या बुरी नहीं होती. सारी बॉडी शेप्स बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल हैं. इट्स जस्ट दैट यू नीड टू नो व्हाट इज योर बॉडी शेप एंड यू कैन ड्रेस अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट सो दैट यू कैन लुक मोर बैलेंस एंड पुट टुगेदर. बट ऐसा कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट बेसिक गाइडलाइंस. इफ यू विश टू फॉलो यू कैन. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. बिफोर वी स्टार्ट taking measurements, what all you need is a measuring tape, fitted clothes, mirror and a notebook or a phone to record your measurements. Please try and wear your body hugging clothes. You can wear your gym clothes, tight fitted clothes, top to bottom same color के कपड़े पहनो, black or maybe beige or skin tone, but same color के कपड़े पहनो so that आपकी body एक uniformity में लगे. So first of all you need to know कि कितने types की body shapes होती हैं. तो there are 5 types of body shape, that is triangle, rectangle, inverted triangle, round and hourglass. एंड एक फुलर बॉडी भी होती है जिसको मैं आगे एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. एंड लेट मी क्लैरिफाई वन थिंग टू यू. बहुत लोग बोलेंगे प्योर शेप क्या होती है, एप्पल शेप क्या होती है. ट्राइंगल को ही हम प्योर शेप बोलते हैं एंड राउंड को ही हम एप्पल शेप बोलते हैं. सो गाइज आई हैव चेंज्ड इनटू वेल फिटेड क्लोथ्स एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हाउ टू टेक योर मेजरमेंट्स in order to know what is your body shape. So grab a measuring tape and first we are going to take measurement of your chest. You have to take measurement of the fullest part of your chest and make sure वहाँ पे 1 finger का difference भी नहीं रहना चाहिए because it is the measurement of your body and not for your clothes. Guys, now coming to the waist. बहुत लोग बोलेंगे waist यहाँ होती है जहाँ पे हम अपनी jeans या फिर pants पहनते हैं. That's not true. यहाँ पे ऐसे हाथ करके देखोगे तो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज योर वेस्ट. यहाँ पे नेचुरली कर्व होगा बिकॉज अगर आप बहुत फिटेड करके पहनोगे अपनी टी शर्ट तो यहाँ पे आपको एक कर्व दिखेगा विच इज़ द नैरोएस्ट पार्ट ऑफ योर टॉर्सो. एंड यहाँ का मेजरमेंट आपको लेना है. अगेन बिल्कुल टाइट फिटेड लेना है. मेक श्योर कि आपकी जो मेजरिंग टेप है वो कहीं से भी ऐसे मुड़ी हुई नहीं हो. तो आपको लेना है एंड नोट डाउन करना है. नाउ कमिंग टू द हिप एरिया, यू विल टेक द फुलेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ योर हिप and we'll take the measurements like this. जहाँ पे आपका फुलर पार्ट ऑफ द हिप है. क्लियरली सी दैट आई एम ऑल्सो एन इन्वर्टेड ट्रायंगल बॉडी शेप जहाँ पे आई हैव बिगर चेस्ट एंड ब्रॉडर शोल्डर्स एज कम्पेयर टू माई हिप एंड लेग्स. If chest is the biggest part of your body, then you are an inverted triangle. If you have the hip as the biggest part of your body, then you are a triangular body shape. If all your body measurements are almost same, that is your bust, waist and hip are almost of same measurement, that means you are a rectangle body shape, which means you have less or no curves. If your bust and hip are almost of same measurement with the well defined waist, or you can say you have a tiny waist, then you fall under the category of an hourglass. Remember, your waist needs to be 20 to 25% lesser than your other body parts, that is bust and hip. And last but not the least, if your abdomen, that is your stomach area, is wider than your chest and your hip area, and you have slightly thinner arms and legs, then you will be called as a round body shape. And do not confuse round body with a fuller body. In round body, your arms and legs are comparatively slimmer or on the thinner side, whereas in fuller body shape, a person's chest and hips are going to be bigger than the rest of the body types, alongside with their stomach, and their arms and legs are also going to be bigger in proportions to the rest of their body. So guys, by now you know body types क्या होती है, उसको कैसे identify करता है. And if you still have any sort of confusion, you can definitely check the video again. And now I'm going to tell you few tips regarding each body type, and in upcoming videos I'm going to do it separately for each body type. So starting off with triangle body shape, मैंने आपको बताया कि triangle body shape में आपका lower body comparatively आपके upper body के heavier होता है. So make it more balanced and proportionate. What you can do is make sure that all your focus goes on to your upper body. So the easiest way to create more balance is through necklines, sleeves, colors and accessories, so that आपके shoulders and hips ज़्यादा proportionate and balanced दिखे. And for that you can also start wearing darker color bottoms to camouflage your lower body. bring more attention to your upper body than hiding your hips. Number two, inverted body shape. That means your chest and shoulders are bigger than your hip and your legs. So in order to make it more proportionate, avoid wearing closed necklines and start wearing V necklines or scoop necklines. That means आप open necklines पहन सकते हो and बहुत ही closed necklines को आपको avoid करना चाहिए. And please avoid wearing बिल्कुल tight fitted t-shirts with leggings because it will make your body shape look more obvious and disbalanced. But rectangle body shape, wherein your bust, waist, and hip are almost of same measurement. One of the most easiest way to dress up a rectangle body shape is to define your waist. You can use belts, you can wear wrap tops, peplum tops, या फिर fitted kurtas that will cinch at your waist. Fourth, hourglass, जहाँ पे आपकी bust and hip are almost of same measurement with a defined waist. Here you are the luckiest. You can wear anything and everything. Everything is going to look good on you. Just one simple tip. Just focus more on your waist. Define your waist by using belts and avoid wearing oversized clothes because उससे आपकी जो shape है, natural body की shape है, वो hide हो जाएगी. And it will make your body look boxier. So just keep that thing in mind. And last but not the least is the round body shape, जहाँ पे आपका stomach are the biggest part of your body. And to camouflage your stomach, you can start wearing wrap dresses or wrap tops that can help you camouflage that area of yours. But just avoid using big belts क्योंकि वो आपके उस एरिया को ज़्यादा amp up करेंगी और ज़्यादा attention लाएंगी which you don't want. You can also use vertical lines or open neck lines to create a longer and more streamlining silhouettes while highlighting your best features. And lastly, fuller body shape, wherein your bust, waist, and hip are on the fuller side along with your arms and legs. Remember to balance out your outfits whenever you're wearing them and avoid wearing too fitted things together, upper and bottom may, because it will highlight your fuller body even more. So guys, we are at the end of the video. I hope you find this video very useful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to take any personal guidance on personal styling or color analysis, you can DM me on Instagram or you can comment down and my team will connect with you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Keep on watching. Bye.